Okay, so today we're going to be practicing with greater than, less than, and equal to with tens and ones. When you think about the greater than, less than sign, what does it remind you of? What do we say it reminds us of? What does it look like? Bab? It doesn't look like adding. What does it look like? Jahari?
Comparing numbers?
Okay, it is comparing numbers, but what does the sign look like? What do we call it? Very good, an alligator's mouth. Everybody go ahead and practice the alligator's mouth. Greater than, less than, equal to. Okay, so that's what we're going to practice with today. Comprende? Okay, so look at this first number. What is this first number?
63.
What's the first number?
36.
36. So you have to pay attention to the place value. So how many tens are in 36? 3. There are 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. If I count it, how do I count it? 10, 20, 30. Very good. And how many ones are there in 36? 30. 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay? Now, who can make 63 for me? I did 36. Who can make 63? Come on, Jahari, make 63. You can make it on this side. So 16. You guys can actually do it together if you want. Go ahead. Work together.
The sharpener is 50. No. 60. No, you can't do that. Give it. You did.
You the one on the bed. Okay. Very good. Now, when I look at both of these numbers, 36 and 63, which one is bigger? Which one is bigger tonight? 63. And how do you know? Very good. There are more tens. So what can we say? 36 is it less than or greater than 63? Okay, so I have someone saying greater, I have someone saying less. Which way would the alligator go? Very good. So 36 is less than 63. So we're going to put that on our chart. 36 is less than 63. You can see the amounts here. Did you make 63 correctly? Yes, good job. So now we're going to practice a little more. Comprende? Sí. Okay. So, what if I had 42 and 20? And 28. 42 and 28. Which number looks bigger? Which number looks bigger?
I know who's rough. Boys are rough.
Which number looks bigger?
Boys are always rough.
Okay, so you think this one is bigger?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one looks bigger because it has more what?
One.
It has a lot of ones, but you cannot go based off of that, okay? You always have to count to see which one is bigger because tens are worth more than one. So let's count this first one. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So now I want you to write down the number 42 to see how it looks when it's written out. 42. So we're going to write the number 42. Okay. No, now I want you to write this number. Let's count this number. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Go ahead and write down the number 28. Okay. Which one is bigger? Go ahead and put your sign in the middle.
I'm telling you. You don't just stop.
Okay. And which number would the alligator alligator eat? The alligator eats more. Which number is bigger? Look at these. 42. Because 42, if I look at 42, guys, 42 has more 10. All I know means the number with the most 10 is the number that's bigger. Comprende? So which number has most 10s in these two? This one has the most 10, so this one is bigger. So 42 is greater than 28. 42 is greater than 28. Does everybody kind of understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I show you this, and I ask you, how is this like this? What's the same about these two? They're both worth how much? 10. Very good. What's the same about these two? Sorry. Oh, sorry.
They're both ones.
They're both worth how much, Bam? 1. Very good. Now, we're going to look at this problem. I want you to think about the 10 blocks and think about the diamond pins and how they're the same. And we're going to look at this problem. Jill has 4 dimes and 6 pennies. Sam has 10 pennies and 2 dimes. Sam says he has more money because he has more coins. Is he correct? So, before you say yes or no, step 1 says represent. Step 1 says to represent. What does represent mean? Yes. So not add the number, but make the number. So we're going to make the number. So first, let's make both of the numbers that they have. Did they use 10s and 1s blocks? What did they say they used? Dimes and pennies. Very good. Even though they're the same, we're going to use our dimes and pennies to make these numbers. Let's go ahead and make both of these numbers. When I come back, I need you to have both numbers made. Make these numbers as a group. Make both of the numbers that they say they have. Make sure you have them separated. And when I come back, you can have the greater than, less than, or equal to in the middle. Comprende? Okay.
Okay, let's do Jill first. 4 dice. You read first.
Okay. What group are you?
4.
Okay. What are you guys doing?
We're reading this and solving the problem.
Okay. What number are you on right now?
4.
8.
Okay. You're number 4. Okay. So what does number 4 say you have to do?
Look at page 8.
Okay. So what do you have to do?
Look at page 8.
Okay. So did you look at page? Okay. So you're already on page 8. Good observation. So let me see. Can I see your number 2 and 3? Where's your number 2 and 3?
Oh, this is my 2. Wait. This is my 2.
Okay.
This is
My 3.
This is my 1 and 2.
So this is your.
This is
This
my
way.
1 and this is my 1. This is my
Wait,
2.
this is my 3. This is my. Wait, this is my 1.
I mean, this is my 3.
Wait, this is my
That's
1.
your 1. Okay. So it might be easier if you put a number on it. Put your number on it and try not to use all your pages.
This is my 1.
Okay. So can you read me the question? Read me the question for number. Let me see. Read me the question for number 2, and then read me your answer for number 2.
Look at page 5. About how far can a mouse jump and a kangaroo? How far can they jump all together?
Okay. Someone read me their answer. Go ahead.
A mouse can jump 11, kangaroo can jump 40. All together, a mouse can jump 11, and a kangaroo can jump 14.
But what did you have
All
to do?
together, it's 51.
All together, it's 51. Very good. Did you write that part? Or did you just solve it? Did you explain that all together is 51? So you need to write that down.
All together is 51.
Okay, good job. Good job, group 4. This is from whole group. Writing AR. Are we ready? Okay, so I need you to hurry up and get your numbers ready.
And then he made it to 6. You gotta start it on what? Oh, did Vinny do the bottom?
I want you to make the numbers. So 4 dimes and 6 pennies. Let's go. You should have been done already. Okay, 4 dimes. So you have that part. Good. So what's the second one? What does the second one say?
What are you doing? We're not supposed to do the
Look at the second one. How many pennies and how many dimes?
Oh, pennies.
10 pennies
2 dimes.
and 2 dimes. Very good. Go ahead and make it.
1, 2, 5, 6. You're doing it wrong.
Let's not argue, guys. Let's work together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Group 4 has earned a point. Good job, Group 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it's the 10. Oh, how many dimes? 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So it's gotta be 1 of these. I don't know. You're done.
So you're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one does it look like has more? If you just look at it, which one looks like more?
It looks like that one is.
If you didn't know that dimes were worth 10, which one has more coins?
That one.
This one has more coins, right?
This one has.
But you know how to count, right? So let's count these.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47,
40 how many? 46. Okay, let's count these.
10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, so this one was how much?
64. No.
Count it, and this time when you count it, write it down.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
Write it down.
46.
46.
40. I messed up. Can I see your eraser, please?
Just scratch it out, Jahari.
Okay, which one is it? You just put a line. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 20, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, so that one is what? 30. Now, which way does the alligator's mouth go? You have it this way right now. Very good. Okay, so it goes this way.
Look
So let's read it. So 46 is greater than 30. So 46 is greater than 30. Very good. But Sam, this is Sam's money. Sam had 30. Jill had 46. Sam said he has more.
He's wrong. He just has more pennies. Yeah.
He has more pennies. Very good. So I need you to write that down because that's going to be something that you need to explain. Because on the problem it says to explain. So you need to explain that Sam, why does he think he's correct? Write it down. Don't tell me. Write it down. Take your time and write it down.
More pennies. He has more. I don't know how to guess.
Okay, very good. Okay, so Sam looked at just the amount of coins he had. So you have to count the tens and ones. You have to pay attention to how much it's worth and not just how many you have. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to challenge you guys to make your own problem with greater than or less than using dimes and pennies. And if we have time, what we're going to do is we're going to solve each other's problem. Okay? So an example is Miss Benny had 2 dimes and 4 pennies. Jeremiah had 1 dime and 7 pennies. Jeremiah said he has more money than Miss Benny. Who is right? So, that's what you're going to ask in your question. Who is right? Explain. So you're going to create your own problem. Or if you just want to say, Miss Benny has 2 dimes and 4 pennies, and Jeremiah has 1 dime and 7 pennies. Who has most? Excuse me, pay attention. Who has the most? We don't want to lose points for not paying attention. So you can just ask who has the most, or you can tell how do you know. Adrian and Anaya, have a seat or you're about to lose a point. Anaya, that's your second warning, so you have lost your point. So go ahead and write down your problem. You can just ask who has more. You don't solve your problem. We're going to let a partner solve our problem. Okay? So you can go ahead and use the dimes and pennies to help you come up with, yes, you can make up names. Okay, so what are you thinking for your problem? What are you thinking? What's your problem?
Melissa has 3 pennies, 4 pennies.
Do you have 4 pennies here?
No.
Did you count that correctly? Let's pay attention. What are these? How much is a penny worth?
I have
1. Very good. What are these?
10.
They're dimes and they're worth how much? 10. So let's count that again. 10, 20, 30.
31, 32, 33.
Very good. So Khadijah has how much?
33.
Okay, you can say that. Very good. Write that down. Khadijah has 33. Then we'll move to the next part of yours. What's your problem, Jahari?
So Melissa has 3 pennies and 2 dimes.
Okay.
And so the number is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So she has 3.
Okay. In your problem, do you have to tell them that it's 23, or can you let them figure that out? Let them figure that out. So you telling them, Melissa has 2 dimes and 3 pennies. Let them count it on their own. Keep working. Are you done?
I think I have
Did you? Okay, so go ahead and read it to me. Penny. Is there a question? Jenny has 6 pennies and 8 dimes. What's the question? So, Jenny has 6 pennies and 8 dimes. What's your question? What do you want to ask? So some people ask who has more. Some people ask, so most people ask who has more, or how much, or who has the most. What kind of question do you want to ask if you said Jenny has 6 pennies and 8 dimes? What's your next step? Okay, you can say, okay, so if you want to do Jenny has 6 pennies and 8 dimes, can you say, she said she had 68 cents. Is she correct? So you can try that. She said she had 68 cents. First off, does she have 68 cents? She does? 60. So let's look. Let's make that number. Make that number. So, how many pennies?
How many? 6.
So go ahead and make 60. So go ahead and solve your problem. Make sure that you...
And the 8 dimes. 1, 2.
So you need to write the question out.
Wait, I can use yours now?
Yes, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can use yours. One more.
Okay, now count it all together.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86.
Now, I just said Jenny says she has 68. Is she correct? You said yes. Is she correct? So go ahead and finish the rest of the question. Finish writing down the rest of the question. We're not going to be able to probably switch. What we'll do is we'll take either Jahari's or Jeremiah's and solve it all together. Okay? Because we already heard Sanaya's. So Jahari, I don't see where you wrote out the question. You have to write out the question. See how the question is written out up here? You're going to have to write out the question. So write the words.
I don't know how to spell listening.
So just do your best. If you need to. Yep. Adrian, that's a point. That's your second warning, so it's a point. Good job, Carr. Okay, Jeremiah, go ahead and read us your question so we can go over it together.
Khadija have...
As he's saying it, go ahead and make the problem.
Khadija
and write down the important part.
30 33.
33 what? What's that word? Cents. Very good.
And 26. Khadija have more.
Are you going to tell who has more, or are you going to ask? Okay, so you have to say who has more.
Who has more?
Okay, so you said Khadija has how much?
33.
33. Go ahead and make 33.
1, 2,
Khadija has 33.
33. 33. Done.
Okay, and then he said that he has how much?
26.
26. He said he has 26. Let's go ahead and make 26.
Done.
Okay, 26. Then his question is, who has the most? First off, if we're just looking, who does it look like has the most? If we don't know dimes and pennies. Yes, it looks like he has more. Then if we count it, we know that this is 33 and this is 26. So who has more? Very good. So, stop. Jahari, you said this one first. What I want you to know is whoever has the most dimes always has more, the greater value, okay? So, if they have more dimes, how many dimes does Khadija have?
3.
How many dimes does he have?
2.
2. So, Khadija has more because dimes are worth how much? Let's look at the chart. Dimes are worth how much? 10. And how much are pennies worth? 1. So whoever has the most dimes has the most. So let's read it. How could we say this? 33
33
is
less than 26.
So 33 is less than 26?
No, 33 is more, greater than 26.
Read it with us, Jahari. 33 is greater than 26. Very good. So which sign would that be?
That's way.
Which sign would that be?
No, it's
So show me.
this way. This way. Yeah, this way.
Okay. Very good. 33 is greater than 26. Okay. Jahari, let's go ahead and solve yours.
Okay. It's mine.
Go ahead and read it.
Melissa and Jahari. Wait.
Go over there. Okay, so let's work out. Let's figure out your question. So what are you trying to ask? Melissa and Jahari, what? Okay, so how much does Melissa have?
Okay, I think. Okay, she says.
So Melissa has
23.
Melissa has 23. Okay.
And I have 55.
And you have 55. Okay, you already made both of your numbers. What's your question?
So my question was, I think I have the most in Melissa because I have more dimes than her. She only has 2.
Okay. So you're asking. So you're saying Melissa has 23 and Jahari has 55. Okay. Jahari says she has the most because she has more dimes. Is she correct? That's your question. Okay. So go ahead and write that down. Jahari says she has the most. So I said I have the most because I have more dimes. Am I correct? Is she correct?
Yes.
Can you just say that or do you need to count it?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56,
55. Okay. So it's always good to double check because she had way too many coins over here. So 55 and 23. So who has more? Jahari. But why?
Because she has more dimes.
She has more dimes. So her tens place is bigger. So she has the greater value. Which way does the sign go?
This way.
Very good. Okay, let's all put our papers down. Let's all put our papers down. Okay. How easy was it to see who had the most money on his one? It wasn't easy?
Yeah.
Okay. But then how easy was it to make your own problem? Was that easy?
Yeah.
It was a little hard, right? Because you have to think about, how am I going to say this? How do I ask my question? So when you figure out how to ask a question, you can better understand what they're asking you. Because on step 2, it says think about it. What question are they asking you? So always remember the question that they're asking, because if you don't answer on your test, if you don't answer the question with the explanation, then you're not going to get that question right. Okay? Because a lot of you didn't ask a question at the end. So a lot of times if it has to do with greater than or less than, what would the question be? What were a lot of y'all questions? Who had the most? So you're always going to hear that. Who had the most, or who had more? Who had the most, or who had the more? It might say who had the least. So those are words to look for when you know you're going to be comparing numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to.